Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to get quick ad on the Snapchat. So if you want to get quick ad or you want to add someone from your quick ad, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat and on the right top you will see add friend option. Just click on it, and after that, as you can see, here is quick add option. You can add anyone from here. So this is quick add from where you can add people. Moreover, if you can't show this right here, you can check on the left top and go to the right top to your settings. Now scroll up, and here you will see me in quick add option. So simply make sure you have to tick this, so people will see you in the quick add and they will add you, as you can add from here. So this is all about the quick add on the Snapchat. Just tap on this add friend option, and here you will find a list of the quick friends, so you can add any friend from here. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.